Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos.
This recipe with red onions will make your hair grow like crazy. If you want volume and shiny hair, we have the best recipe for that. Did you know that the juice from red onion can help in preventing hair loss, prevent growth of gray hair, and in the same time speed up the growth and improve the quality of your hair? The speed of hair growth definitely depends on genetics, but also on other factors that are both external and internal. There are a lot of homemade ingredients that can help enable its maximal growth, whose recipes are carried from generation to generation. The method with red onion, which is said to be very effective, is supposedly used in Hollywood. In a lot of studies it has been proven that the red onion prevents hair loss in 87% of the situations. You will be surprised yourself how your hair will grow in just a month. The dermatologists say that there are no contraindications on your skin or on your head. What's the secret in the red onion? It's rich with sulfur that boosts the production of collagen, which is the key for hair growth. The onion juice is also great for circulation, for lowering skin inflammations, and it has antibacterial effects. This juice will make your hair stronger, because it will stimulate opening of the follicles and prevent against possible infection. Those who have tried this method say that the results after a month are great. Procedure: skin and grate 2 to 4 onion bulbs, squeeze the juice, or mix it with a blender, then squeeze it through filter or strainer. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it. Rub your head with the juice and let it on your head for 15 to 30 minutes. The smell is very strong, but it's worth the pain. You can even stay with the mask for an hour, if you're not in a hurry. After the treatment, wash your hair thoroughly like usual. The treatment is to be done for 2 to 3 times a month. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe to my channel. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.